You guys, welcome back to another episode of Daring Travel. Right now, I am getting ready to head out with some of the expats. But before we see how the night goes, I want to tell you a story, I guess, of the last time we tried to go out. So bad out here. Why I got this mask on? Mask off. Just walking to the place right now. Whew. It's brighter than that. I think this is the place right here. I'm not too sure. I've never been here, but me and my friend Isabel, the one from the Facebook group, are the one that called and booked the place. So we had to pay a deposit. I'm just gonna pay it early, and then everyone's just gonna pay me in advance. But I'm just hoping that this is the place. I think I was interested. Alright, let's just see if this is the place. Okay, so that front door area wasn't it. You gotta like walk along the side of the building. You know, I'm kind of glad I'm the first person who got here. Wait until you guys see it. I'm just gonna say that. Just wait until you see it. I don't know if we're gonna go mini golf. But you know, I'm just gonna wait and see. So I was sitting over there, but them playing music and copyright and all that stuff, I wasn't trying to deal with all that. But we're gonna see if everyone was like, all right, yeah, they down. Now, Isabel paid $45 already for AP, which is not that bad for AP. That's like $7. But I did think it was be a little bit more elaborate than that. I thought just a little bit. What should be my next country? That's what I'm really trying to think. It's Argentina. Brazil can cost me like it's taking like $400 or $500 right now. Mexico is super close, so I don't have to worry about a super long flight, which I don't like long flights, but I wouldn't have to worry about that. Maybe it'd be somewhere. Maybe. I don't know. I'm really trying to figure it out. And I know that April's like, oh, that's a long time away now. Like, really, it isn't. You're like moving to a different country. You really got to plan that out. And with YouTube and everything, I gotta figure it out fast. Yeah, I don't really know how this one. And that shit is. That's Isabel. Oh, is there another one? Oh no, that's someone else.
Okay, we'll give it a bit of a doubt. Maybe it's just like
reaction number one.
Rough and okay, good. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'll go down. The question is like,
But I think it's shorter.
Alright, so it's pretty evident we're really bad at virtual baseball. That's what it is. But after it all, the whole scandal thing, and just being up there at that, we ended up having fun. Alright, but the goal of today is redemption at virtual baseball, and we're supposed to go to some food park. Don't know the name of it, but I'm sure I'll figure it out once we get there. So our new friend, Sammy Sosa, destroyed all of us. All of us. I mean, total points, if I can remember, there was like 1,400, 600 something, 500 something. So he scored close to around.
I think it's probably like 50,000.
I don't know how he got 50,000.
I have the pictures.
Yes, he destroyed us all, you know. Something else, he told me what it is. It's a rum tequila that's like only made here. But we were like drinking. I had to at least order like 14 shots. I'm not lying to you. I was ordering them in doubles.
Oh my God.
And at one point, I gave him I was like, you want a shot? So he started drinking shots, and he was already drinking beer. And I started to feel the drink, and I was like, oh man. And then I started knocking shots over, like, just because I was drunk. But I started playing, I was like, oh man. I was like, don't worry about it. They're like $4. To rob at a food park. I won't say which, because I don't want to like mess up Spanish. El Terreno. You know, as always, got to do the COVID check. The El Terreno Food Park is an outside eatery where you can come with your friends or family members to enjoy food and drinks from places like Peace and Dog. There you can order a variety of pizzas and hot dogs. I ordered the pepperoni pizza. Now if you like your crust thin, this is definitely the spot for you. Or you can go to Sushi Contractor, which had a large selection of sushi dishes, but they were all in Spanish, so I couldn't read them. Now this right here, I forgot the name, but it was spicy. Or you can go to Tacos, Burritos, or Tortas. My man Sam ordered the carne asada tacos, and them bad boys were juicy, I'm trying to tell y'all. Alright you guys, I just made it back inside the house. Let me keep myself over here, stay in the light. You know, it's so crazy because it was a point where I got up to get water and I sat back down, and I kind of like sat in a moment maybe for like 3 seconds, because I was just really appreciative that I got to sit around people from just different cultures, you know, to sit around people, individuals, other expats from like Australia, Peru, different parts of South of Mexico, and even someone from the United States and Minnesota. I was just really grateful. It was just a lot of gratitude at that moment, because like a year ago, I like completely hated my job. I did not like what I was doing. It was very, very stressful. I am truly blessed, and I'm so glad that the universe, God, whoever is out there, had this in my path. So I was just really, really appreciative. Also, thank you guys for just tuning in, watching. Please subscribe, share, comment, give me your criticism. I'm definitely open to hearing it. So next week, we will be starting my mini series of Puerto Vallarta. So that's where I will be next week. But I have some stuff planned. I'm really hoping it works out. I know COVID has been like a real pain in the butt, but I don't think it will affect my travel plans, and I cannot wait because I get new equipment. So I'm gonna be trying new things, and hopefully you guys will like it. Working my hardest on this editing thing, but again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, comment this video. I can't wait to see you guys next Wednesday for my Puerto Vallarta upload. You guys keep being safe out there, because no COVID is still running rampant. You guys have a great night.